There was some youth in the USA that refused to go to school because of the school shootings. And then I was in some kind of a group with several youths that we were going to come up with new projects to do. And then someone said, what if children did that, refused to go to school, but for the climate? And then I thought it was a very good idea, and I thought that hasn't been done before. And so then I tried to get people with me, but no one was really interested, so I had to do it alone. We say all the time we have to have hope. If there's no hope, then we can't do anything. But I think that even if there is no hope, we have to do something. That is, not having hope is not an excuse for not doing anything. Of course we need hope, but the one thing we need more than hope is action. Because once we start to act, hope is everywhere. So instead of looking for hope, we should look for action. And then, only then, hope will come. You can say that it's like one person who is dying and says, I'm not going to have an operation, I'm going to wait. In the future there might be a magic pill that I can take. It's very risky.